So in one of my last video comment sections, somebody said that they'd really like to pick up the sticks, but they didn't want to unless they knew they can mount them onto an Evolve 50. So today I took it upon myself to figure out a way to mount sticks onto an Evolve 50. It works. It's not hard. In fact, I came up with a few different ways to do it. Have a look. So here's the stick, and as you can see, it has the magnets on it that are fully adjustable. You can put them pretty much wherever you want on the stick, and you can stick the stick on metal things and aim the light wherever you wish. Now when you put the Evolve 50 together, the first thing you notice is maybe that this is metal. Problem solved. You just stick this on here and all is good. Nope. Guess what? It's aluminum. So aluminum is not magnetic. We have to try something different. When you buy the tour pack, you get these little metal hanging plates. And as you can see, they have holes in them where you can screw them into something if you want to. There's also these slots here where you can strap them onto something if you want to. We don't want to screw into our Evolve 50s, or I don't want to anyway. So let's try that strapping method. So first things first, let's try just zip tying them to this bottom pole. Now it does work. It's not real pretty, forgive me for not having black straps, but it works. I think you'd have to put two of them on here because it's a little imbalanced the way I've got it set on here, running this strap like I have. I give the Velcro strap a try too. It works, but not really. I mean, it slides up and down this pole pretty good, but I suppose if you put something kind of grippy behind this, it wouldn't slide up and down so much. So regardless, as if you go with the Velcro method or the zip tie method, you end up with a light that's down here. And you may not want that. I mean, I'm standing here and you can see this light is actually pretty low. One of the main problems I see with up here is if we run something like a Velcro strap or a zip tie, we might end up blocking some of these full range drivers up here that we want for sound, and aesthetically I don't think it's going to look right anyway, so let's try something else. Now my kid actually turned me onto these. I'm going to try them. They're called command strips and they hold 3 pounds, and the cool thing about this is it's like a double-sided tape that holds a lot of stuff, but it can easily come off. You just pull a tab and it's supposed to come right off. I thought this would probably be the safe thing to use on the Evolve 50s. If you look on this side, it's got black writing on it. It says wall side. And this side would be the side that you have your whatever you're going to stick onto it. So let's go ahead and peel this back. There we go. Okay. And then we will place this plate right over top of it like that. Okay. Now, all we should have to do is peel this off right here, this black stuff, and stick it onto the speaker, and we've got plates attached. So I've peeled the black bit off, and I'm going to put it right about here. Let's kind of press it down. Yeah, that sucker's on there pretty good. Okay, so we have a plate up here. We have a plate down here. Let's see how it works. Look at that. Now your next question may be, I don't know, Brian, how secure is that light up there on the Evolve 50? It's not going anywhere. It's pretty secure. It's not going to slide off or anything else. It's on there good. To take it off, I have to pull it off like you would with anything magnetic onto metal. And of course, it goes back on just like that, real easy. Now let's see how easy it is to take our metal plates off with the tape that I used. So let's go ahead and pull the stick off, and we're left with the plate and the pull tab. All I should have to do is pull this tab and it comes right off. Let's see if it actually does. It does! It didn't even leave a mark. There's nothing there. See? So there you have it, going out by request, how to mount a stick to an Evolve 50. As you can see, it wasn't that difficult to do. So if you have any questions or anything else, let us know down in the comments section. I'll do my best. Thanks for watching. Practice and enjoy.